Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Andasea Tail Resort. It's considered 4 stars on Agoda, and it's located in Nong in Krabi province. As you can see, there's a lot of squid in my room. Even the towels are shaped like a squid. On Agoda, this room has a 9.0 out of 10 rating, which is really good. And that's with 1,152 reviews. So that's pretty good, I think. I paid 1,000 baht per night when I stayed here, and I was here for 2 nights. That's about $30 US per night. As you can see, it's a new hotel. It's only a couple of years old when I stayed here. Customer service here was really good. I was only going to stay 1 night, and it was quite easy to change that to 2 nights after I checked in with no extra cost. Or I paid the same price both nights. Not much of a view though. If you're tall enough, there is an ocean straight ahead, but it's pretty hard to see. And of course it's 90% dark when I recorded this. There's the breakfast, which is a lot cheaper than the advertised rate online. I did not have breakfast here, so I can't comment on the food. Here's the lobby, which is pretty cool. Lots of fish. You can book tours and things here as well. I booked my tours online. Quite a lot cheaper that way if you do a little bit of research. And the tour company just come pick you up in whatever hotel you're in, so it's not a big deal. Front of the hotel, parking is in the back. The best part of this hotel, in my opinion, is the rooftop pool. And like I said, there is an ocean far away. This hotel is really nice after dark. You just wait. When I was there, the hotel was pretty busy. It was at the end of September, and surprisingly pretty busy for that time of year. Beautiful, yeah? But my room was really quiet. I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to get more information or check out the prices on your dates. When I was there, I thought the price was really reasonable, especially compared to other hotels in the area. Like literally $30 a night, maybe $32. The $1 million question, would I stay in this hotel again? Absolutely I would. But the 350 baht for the breakfast, I thought it was too much when I booked. Even though you can get it cheaper at the hotel, definitely don't book the breakfast online. I don't know if it was any good or not because I didn't even go look at it. I was busy doing a tour. But like I said, the pool, the rooftop pool, is definitely the highlight of this place in my opinion. It's definitely not the sea view. Back in the lobby. This is really early in the morning when I recorded this. It looks like the hotel is a ghost town, but it was actually quite busy. I did good by not finding a lot of people. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. Like I said, I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out.